I got a package. I ordered something from this company called WoodSnap. I'm gonna put them down below. And they make these images on these beautiful wood pieces. Any image you want on like a different shape. It's a surprise. I'll open it. Anyway, I wanted to open up here. I got a picture of my mom because 1 year ago she passed away, and I just wanted something that has her beautiful face on it. Wrapped so nice. Wrapped again. I'm so excited, and this is taking forever to open. Okay. It feels so nice. I love it. Oh my goodness. This came out literally beautiful. It's a picture of her on vacation. She posed in front of angel wings, which was like kind of ironic, but I literally love it. And her favorite shape is a heart, so I did it on a heart. Yeah. If you want anything done with a picture on a piece of wood like this, I'm gonna hang it. This came out so good, and it's such nice quality. But yeah.